Hi guys, so today we will be seeing the all new S-Class. This is the new generation of the S-Class. I will first be giving you guys a complete walk around of the car. So this is the 2021 generation of the S-Class. This specific car is the CBU unit, which is the S450 AMG line. So we got a 400D and a 450 petrol for the launch unit. This car is a 4MATIC with 4-wheel steering, AMG bodyline package. You can see the classic grille in the front, along with the standing logo and the digital headlights, along with the 20-inch AMG alloy wheels. The car looks stunning, looks beautiful. You can see the rear of the car as well. It's got a very fluidic design. The car looks very appealing. Can show you the boot also. It's got an automatic easy pack tailgate. It's got a very deep boot, very generous boot space. The car looks, it can store a lot more luggage as compared to the older generation. As I said, the easy pack tailgate. Now the best thing about this car, definitely the chrome lines and everything for the AMG looks beautiful. But we will see, the best thing is the way the car unlocks and locks. So all you have to do is just swipe on the door panel and the car will unlock. So as you see, the door is unlocked. How you lock it is just click on the button and the car door locks. So it's very beautiful because it's got seamless doors. It's got complete flat doors. There are no handles onto it. It becomes absolutely flat. Makes the car look very, very nice. So we'll now go inside the car and see a few features. So the best part about the car is the seats now. So as you can see, it's touch sensitive. The buttons don't move. So I just keep it touched and it's going back. It will go in the front. It will go up the seat. So you can get into the car as well. So as you guys can see now, everything is absolutely new inside the car. The engine start stop button. The buttons to adjust the seats, front, back, as I said, it's touch sensitive. Definitely you've got, it's a launch edition, fully blown. You've got your climatized seats, heated seats, memory seats. You've got your touch pads for your outside rear view mirror controls that can be controlled from here. You got a complete new headlight toggle switch right here. You can adjust the headlights. Looks beautiful. Now something new is how you adjust the airflow from the vents. So it's a button now. So it's touch sensitive. You touch it, it reduces. You can see the light goes going down. So that you can turn off the AC vent or turn it on via these buttons. So that's just amazing. The way it's done is just beautiful. Now in terms of the center screen here, you've got multiple designs. So I'll show that to you as well. You've got about 6-7 designs. So here you can go to exclusive. It just looks beautiful. It just changes the entire aspect. Now the main turn point, changing point in this car is your NTG7. So we had NTG6 up till now. This is NTG7, which is, you've got a 12.8-inch screen in the center. So this is where everything changes. This is the all new game. It looks beautiful. The screen is just amazing to operate. Everything is here. There are no buttons inside the car anymore. Everything can be controlled from the screen itself. It looks big. You got your phone, media. It's got wireless Android Auto. It's got Apple CarPlay. It's just this. They've taken everything to another level. You can just see the way the screen works. It's just brilliant. Zoom in, zoom out. It's just perfect. We're currently here at Andheri. It just works very, very well. Now the best part about this car is the camera. So you really need to see the camera. I'll show that to you guys as well. Now I'll just click here. It's got a 360-degree camera for sure, obviously, but the way the camera can be adjusted, You got every possible view, every angle. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. I mean, it's just outstanding. The way this car is done is just outstanding. The features that they have given, from parking in a tight spot, I mean, it can't get better. It's Mercedes has just blown off everyone with this car. The way they've made it, they've removed every possible button from your. This entire panel looks so seamless and straight. You've got your wireless charger, your 2 Type-C charging ports, cup holders, another place to keep your phone. I mean, it's just beautiful the way everything is done. The climate, the ambient lights. So you can just see this. You can look how beautiful this looks. It just looks stunning. And definitely the kind of features that are given are brilliant. Everything that to raise the car, to switch off assistance, each and everything is onto the center screen. Nothing is outside of that. Everything is onto the center screen. So even like how you earlier used to raise the car, so you can go to vehicle level and raise the height of the car. So that's how simple everything has been done. So they've made it very simplified. Everything is into the screen. Best part, the front seats have 10 massage options. So you've got 10 massage options right here. So for both the front seats, you've got energizing comfort, which will activate some beautiful sound along with your massaging as well. So it will give you a beautiful thing. We'll just see how the refresh works. So it's just amazing. This is also touch sensitive. You've also got a fingerprint scanner to unlock the screen. If you want, you can lock the screen. So I'm sure you guys can hear the sound and the breeze that is coming. I'm sure you guys can't hear it, but it's a different feeling. The entire seat vibrates. It's just amazing. So it's another thing that you need to experience all of this. Look at the way the ambient lights change. It's just amazing. Everything has been changed. The rear has been more or less the same. We can take a look though in terms of the rear. But yeah, another major update is this rear comes with NTG7. So you've got the same system that is in the front at the rear as well. It looks beautiful. Same operating system in the front. You can also mirror the front screen onto both the rear screens. So that is another amazing thing. It really changes everything. You can use whatever you want from the back. You also will get a touchpad in the center. So as I was saying, you'll also get a touchpad in the center, so you can control the features. Similar screen that will be here will also be on the touchpad, so you could control everything for the front from the back as well. For the wireless charger, you've got a wireless charger right here, and you will also have screen mirroring for the same. So Type-C ports for the screen mirroring. So you've got all of that as well. Really looks beautiful. You got your touch sensitive pads to switch on, switch off the lights for the rear as well. So another brilliant feature actually. And yeah, that's more or less everything about the car. This to switch on and switch off the AC vents at the back. The beautiful ambient lights again. The rear seats will also be climatized. Definitely it's an S-Class, so this entire panel will go up, putting the seat in front. You guys have seen that in the older S-Classes, so I won't be showing it to you all over again. The rear compartment and everything, all of this remains the same. So yeah, it's just amazing the way this is done, and it's a beautiful car. I hope you guys like the video of the new S-Class. I'll also show you one more feature. Even the opening for the sunroof is touch sensitive. So I just slide my hand on the panel here towards the back, okay, and the sunroof will open off the car. So I'll have to go in the front to do that. My hand is not reaching there properly, so I'll show that to you guys as well. So yes, we will be doing it right now. So yeah, I just swipe back and the sunroof on top is opening. Similar second swipe, the glass will also open, but I was just doing it to show you guys how it works. So yes, I hope you guys like the car and the features and everything that I have shown you. We're looking forward to the launch on the 18th of June 2021 for the India, and let's hope the car does well. And I hope you guys liked everything that I've shown you guys. If you want to understand something else about the car, you can put it in the comment section below. So thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you guys.